Ano Bhadra Kratuoyantu Vishwataha. Let all noble thoughts come from every side. Medical field is such that we have research every day, ongoing researches, and recent advances. Therefore, all the people who are involved in this health sector, may be active medical practitioners, medical entrepreneurs, and IT experts and technicians related to this field, they all need to upgrade their skills, obtain state-of-art techniques so that we can consolidate this system. So in such conventions, we all come here, discuss, share our knowledge, and then identify the innovative and best healthcare delivery systems, and thereby consolidating the health sector in our respective regions and areas. Since there are many guests who have come here across the globe, for their information, let me tell you, the formation of separate Telangana state has been the desire over 6 decades. Many agitations were there, and finally we could get a very good leader like Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao Garu, because of whose relentless fighting and commitment to the cause, our dream has come true. Bhartruhari in a Subhashita said somewhere, Prarabhyate nakhalu vighna bhayena nichai, Prarabhya vighna vihata viramanti madhya, Vignair muhur muhurapi pratihanyamana, Prarabdha muttama guna naparityajanti. There are 3 categories of human beings. The first one, they don't start the work at all, looking at the obstacles. They are all worst kind of people. The middle ones, they begin the work, but looking at the obstacles, unable to face the obstacles, they just run away. They are madhyamas, good for nothing people. And there is one category of people, despite facing several obstacles, several threats, they perceive, they continue to do their work, and ultimately they get the victory. They are branded as Uttama, the topmost people, and our Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister KCR, falls in that group. We have to appreciate his commitment. Now friends, I have nothing much to talk because I am also a guest, not so deeply involved in the activities of Indus Association. So I only hope you all spend your good time here, go back to your places with good reminiscences, and come back to Hyderabad with huge investments in future. Mr. KTR is the most dynamic young leader. He will be always there to help us. There should be some sort of mutual cooperation. Of course, that aspect will be looked after by the Honorable Minister, KTR. And finally, since we are all in a very noble profession, Sharire Jarjari Dehe, Vyadigraste Kalebare, Aushadam Jahnavi Toyam, Vaidyo Narayano Hari. Let us all preserve the noble profession, and I thank the Indus Association, FAPSI, and Indian Medical Association for involving me in this conference, and thank you very much. Jai Telangana, Jai Hind.